All Jamaicans should use the internet and all of the other resources available online in a meaningful way.
It is with this notion that the government embarked on a series of activities to raise awareness about the dangers in cyberspace this past October, one of which was a Cyber Safe Roadshow in Montego Bay, St. James.
Ministry of Science and Technology. Hey, ready, over here, how we say? Hey, what?
The international theme of Cybersecurity Awareness Month was Cybersecurity or Shared Responsibility, and the local public awareness campaign theme has been Think Before You Click. Representatives from the Cyber Incident Response Team, CERT, eLearning Jamaica Limited, Universal Service Fund, USF, and the Jamaica Constabulary Force were out on the town interacting with the residents. The day was filled with activities, prizes and surprises for everyone. But throughout the fun and games, the message was crystal clear.
Don't give away your password.
Not even to your friend. Not even your partner.
Which one are the password?
For your phone.
Phone
For
alone?
your computer.
So like how me want to draw $1,500 and me really can go down to the machine. Me can just give me cousin.
No, don't give away your pin.
My cousin needs sister pitney the card for your job.
No, don't do it.
Eh?
I know you trust them. I know them is family.
Yes.
But you're putting yourself at risk.
Wow.
The issue isn't about giving others access to your online and bank accounts. It goes further to the simple things you do, such as clicking a download link on your computer or phone.
Before you click on a link that a friend or anyone has shared with you for a video or photos, think about it first. Take a look at that link. If it looks suspicious, do not click it. There is so much that we do online that we put ourselves at risk to be attacked, to have our data stolen. And the message that we are leaving is be conscious about what you do online. Do not overshare. Do not download applications that ask for personal information. Be present with what you're doing online. Use strong passwords and always be conscious of what you do.
The Universal Service Fund is a partner on the campaign. The USF has established several free public Wi-Fi areas across the island, but the agency wants residents to use them with caution.
The thing with public Wi-Fi is when you access the internet, it's like being in your home and opening your door to go outside and turning on your lights. You have no control over who is able to see into your house or who may be able to access your home unless you put the necessary safeguards in place. So it's all about, yes, using the internet, using public Wi-Fi, because of course it's amazing, especially when it's free. But we must always be cognizant of the risks associated and of course be safe whenever we go online.
Cybersecurity is not just an October thing, it's a continuous learning process for you to know how to protect yourself online. So the next time you go online or even before you download that link on your phone, make sure you think before you click.